Today's featured car is a rare one and a beauty, a 1970 Ford Torino Twister Special with a 429 Cobra Jet V8 and one of 30 produced with a 4-speed. And it had the build sheet and a Marty report to go along with it. And I'll read from the Mecum website, which is the seller statements, and it mentions 95,815 miles. And like I said, the color is vermilion with black interior, and it's the 429 Cobra Jet with 4-speed, and one of 90 Torino Twister Specials produced, one of only 30 produced with a 4-speed manual transmission, 429 Cobra Jet Ram Air V8 engine, 4-speed close ratio manual transmission, 350 traction lock rear axle, power steering, power brakes, shaker hood scoop, front spoiler, chrome Magnum 500 wheels, laminated deluxe Marty report, laminated original build sheet. And it sold for $132,000 at the Mecum Kansas City 2025 auction on Saturday, December 6th. And like I mentioned, this thing was beautiful. It was a beautiful restoration and definitely caught your eye, that's for sure. And super rare. Like I said, only one of 30 made out of the 90 that had a 4-speed. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.